Hey guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, welcome. If you are brand new to and you've never seen my work before, you've never been on my channel before, thanks for watching. I'm doing a mermaid style, like ocean wavy, greeny, bluey, purple thing because I had so much fun doing the rainbow tutorial for you guys. Yesterday I actually did it and I put it up today, and I just felt like I wanted to embrace on the blue side of the spectrum, and I came across this picture on Pinterest, and I really wanted to recreate it. So I will link this picture down below if you guys are interested in recreating this look as well. And I'm just going to, this is going to be not a talking tutorial. I'm just going to point at the colors and I'm just going to show you guys what and where I've been putting them. I'll put some music in, so just sit back and have fun, just because I've done 4 videos this weekend already and I'm a little burnt out, but I still wanted to film this for you guys, so I'm just going to point and put some music on, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy.
To scare the children, how do you feel?
What? What?
Elton, hang on, I got you covered. Usually when I turn myself into a skeleton, I don't know what you do. Are you excited, skeleton? Of course we are.
Okay guys, so thank you for watching this mermaid weird makeup tutorial. Get ready with me following the pic off of Pinterest. I think it turned out actually really well. It's not as vibrant as the pic, obviously, because there's a filter on the pic, and she has, I'm pretty sure she's using like fancy lights. I have lights set up, but they're not as fancy as hers, and there's definitely a filter on it to make it a little bit brighter. So I mean, once you see this on Instagram tonight, you'll understand. I'll probably throw a filter on it and make it vibrant. The usual, like what everybody does. But here's a close-up of the eyes. So super pretty. A couple comments that I want to make. This stuff is really, really easy to use. The only thing that I dislike about it is the fact that this is the brush and this is the product. I don't really agree with companies that make their brushes super large to make products look like you're getting way more in it than you actually are. I understand that this is just the amount of product you're getting. Why do I need to have a brush or a lid on it that's twice the size of the product? I don't need a brush that big. It just, personal preference, I think that's a cop-out. But I got all of these on sale, last sale at Shoppers, and they were like $3, so I mean, whatever. So I have this color, and I have a purple, a pink, a lime green, and an orange. So I'm on the hunt to get the whole rainbow, obviously, because I do these looks all the time. But I will be doing a video on these, testing them all out, seeing what colors I like, what colors I don't like, doing a review basically on them. So keep an eye out. Keep an eye out for that. The other thing that I wanted to mention, this is supposed to be a highlight. I put it on my lips. No, it's not a very good highlight. It's a liquid highlight, but I wouldn't buy this. I would personally, I got it on sale again, and again it was like $3, $3 or $4. I wouldn't be happy paying full price for this because it's not a very good highlight. Like, it's really not. So there's that. And then I will link all of the products that I used down below because obviously I didn't talk through this tutorial. It was just me pointing and showing you guys. But yeah. I had a lot of fun doing this tutorial. It was actually really, really easy to do, really fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like videos like this, please make sure to give it a thumbs up down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We are almost at 100 subscribers, and once we hit the 100 mark, I will be hosting a giveaway. So help me get to 100 subscribers so we can get this giveaway going. I've been trying, and I understand that YouTube is a slow process, but come on guys, my videos are fun. Come on, subscribe to me. But thank you again for watching. I hope you guys have a pleasant evening because it's 9 o'clock. Bye. I just realized, oh my god, camera, focus. I just realized, and my camera's a piece of shit. No, I've always done that. I just realized I didn't do the Amrezy highlighter on my brow bone. What the hell? So, I'm gonna do that quickly on camera. Let's make this all so glamorous. I love this highlighter. It's so fucking pretty. It's so beautiful. Jesus. Jesus. Jesus, I cannot believe I forgot to put it on there. I realized there's a boo-boo right there because I opened my eyes with a liquid liner was still fucking wet. Ariana, figure your life out. I don't think I'll ever figure my life out. It is what it is.